Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be, well, not going to be reacting, but we're going to be unboxing the 13th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. So let's get into this, if we can get into this. I might have to skip this because it would probably take a while. Okay guys, we finally got there. So here we go, taking it out now. Please don't break. Come on, come on. Come on! Get it out! Oh my god, there we go. Here we go. We got there. So here we go. Oh wow. Oh, I like this. Okay. It has that. It's got that as well. 1, 2, 3. I wonder what happens if it goes to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's still the same. And I like it's still orange when I don't press it. Oh never mind, it's gone off again. Also I press this bottom one and it goes to the orange by itself. Look, there we go. I do like the screwdriver actually, with the sounds on it. First one, when you press it twice. See, that's different to the rest. You don't really hear that. And this is 3 times. Which I've heard that with other screwdrivers that I've got. So there you go guys, the 13th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.